guys, here it is, 2020 Husqvarna Vitpilen 701. Okay, what do we do to this thing? For starters, the most obvious, the Leo vents cat delete. See, that gets rid of all that big, heavy, rectangular chamber on the bottom. Back into an Akrapovich slip-on. And I did another video on that, but that's a savings of about 10 or 11 pounds and a grunnier, deeper sound. Definitely a cool upgrade for sure. And to complement that, of course, we did a Coober ECU. We did some black sliders on both sides. We put a Gorilla alarm, which we mounted everything underneath this rear tailpiece. It's a very loud siren alarm with 2 different pagers. Super cool. The Coober ECU also changes the airbox lid, lets it flow more air. What else did we do? We added this USB right here, which plugs in behind the headlight and actually works off the key. So it's all just integrated into the wiring harness without any hacking. Of course, we did the Husky bar end mirrors, which are real quick and easy to adjust. A nice black CNC finish metal. Super cool. Alright guys, I believe that's it as far as bolt-ons that we did, so let's fire it up and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, let me know down in the comments, are you a Vitpilen or a Vitpilen guy? Do you like the really leaned over clip-on bar cafe racer look, or do you like to sit a little more upright? What do you think of this color scheme? Just drop it all down below. I'd love to hear about it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.